Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your gift card at the store counter, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure your card is ready to use for purchases. Step 1. Take your gift card to the checkout counter or customer service desk at the store where the card was purchased or is accepted. Step 2. Inform the cashier or customer service representative that you need to activate your gift card. Hand them the card for processing. Step 3. Provide a valid form of identification if requested by the store. Some high-value gift cards may require ID verification for security purposes. Step 4. The cashier will scan the gift card's barcode or enter the card number into their system to begin the activation process. Step 5. If you're purchasing the gift card at the same time, pay for it using your preferred payment method. The card will be activated immediately upon successful payment. Step 6. Wait for the cashier to confirm that the activation was successful. They may print a receipt showing the card balance and activation status. Step 7. Sign the back of your gift card if there's a signature panel. This adds a layer of security and helps prove ownership if the card is lost. Step 8. Keep your receipt in a safe place along with the gift card packaging or any card information for reference, especially if issues arise later. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.